I predict that in the summer you are going to get an exam question that asks you to plan an investigation. I'm going to give you a really easy format to tackle this question, and so you can get 6 marks in your exams. So make sure you save this so that you can come back to it later for your revision. This question asks us to plan an investigation to measure the effect of light intensity on the rate of photosynthesis. And it's a really typical 6-mark question. One of the things that students struggle with when they tackle these questions is they start giving these kind of really long explanations that don't really have very much substance to them, and they miss the marks. So follow this format and you will get 6 out of 6. We're going to start by saying what the independent variable is and how we change it. So, the independent variable is, and in this experiment, it will be light intensity. I'm going to put Li for light intensity, and is changed by changing the distance from the lamp to the pond, to the plant, to the pondweed. By changing the distance from the lamp to the plant. The reason why this will get you the mark is because you've really clearly stated how to change the independent variable and what the independent variable is. Our next point is we're going to say what the dependent variable is. The dependent variable is, and in this case, it's going to be the rate of photosynthesis. But how do we measure the rate of photosynthesis? Well, we need to measure the amount of gas that is being produced by that pondweed. There's a couple of ways we could do that. We could either count the number of bubbles, or we could measure the volume of gas that's being produced. And I'm going to come to that in a second. So the dependent variable is the rate of photosynthesis and is measured by counting the number of bubbles produced in, and because it's a rate, we need to give a time value. Doesn't matter what time we say, as long as you don't say something stupid like an hour. So we could say produced in 2 minutes. Now, to get 6 marks, you